Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to go ahead and configure click to collect in Odoo. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end, follow my steps correctly so you can make sure that this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing we want to do is to go ahead and open up the official Odoo website right here at odoo.com if you have not already. So once you have done that, the first thing you're going to do is go ahead and log into your account. If you do not already have one, you can go ahead and sign up for one for free with Odoo and get started setting up your store, website, whatever you're managing, and it's going to look like this. So this is my main page of my website. This is the inventory tab where at the top of the screen I can find options such as configuration, reporting, site, and so on. So let's go and take a look at how to set up the click and collect option right here. As you can see, we have an article on how to select pickup in store as a provider. So you're going to go ahead and open up your configure option. So right here at the top of the screen, you have your configuration, and then we can open up the settings. So basically guys, you are going to be able to select the pickup in store in the provider field option if you are a store. As currently you can see, I'm a car rental agency website, so I do not have the option to be a store, and so I do not have the option to go ahead and collect anything in my store. But if you're running a store website, you're going to see the option that says provider, and under provider you're going to have the pickup in store option that's going to enable you to set it up and enable your customers to pick up any products they buy from you directly in your store, and that's how it's done. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, take care, and bye.